This striker, where the catch goes on the striker here,
Yeah.
that's ground out too much. I got to build it up,
Yeah.
and then touch it up a bit until we get a nice tight fit.
Okay.
You have to keep fitting it until it's right.
There you go. First time's a charm. Was it seriously that easy?
Yeah, I'll open the door and you look in there. You'll see where I built it up and all.
Yep.
Like this. And I'll take the grinder and square off make it even. Like that, so it's just right. See, that's it.
Okay. Are you going to put weather stripping now along the top, or are you going to try and straighten it out on the top there like you had before?
No, I can't do nothing. This just needs thin weather stripping, like nothing here, but start about here.
Yeah.
And put the weather stripping in.
So for the other guys that are trying to do stuff at home, like where is this weather stripping going?
Right in here.
Okay.
And I could probably cut this and but it's binding in here.
Okay. Is it?
I'm gonna try something else that might do the trick. Like this.
Take a tool, yeah, like.
You can see how tight it is here.
Yeah.
Okay, but you take this in here like this. I can cut this one and pull it into just here. I have to cut it in here.
Okay. Like you did on the other side?
Pull it in with a ratchet strip and the block.
Yeah.
Might as well do it because it's out a little bit too much here.
Yeah.
Not having your chains on the door and you're flipping around like this, or backing up to the door and catching the snowbank and ripping around. That's why they made mirrors. You look through the window. Oh, there we are.
So some of you guys might be wondering why your dads or your grandfathers yelled at you when you were younger for slamming the doors. This would be a good reason. You know, you shouldn't have to.
The old ones had a turn handle.
Yeah.
These are all full handles. And they're all made to close on a slab.
There you go.
Then you know it's tight. Okay. In this case, we want to pull this door in a little bit here. So we have to cut it above, we have to cut it through here.
Okay.
And then we'll block it and lock it, and when you pull it together like that and weld it, fixed.
Okay. And I just showed you 2 times on the other side that it does work.
This is the part we want to bend. And you have to cut it here so that this can close
Yep.
to get the right curve. Eh? Okay, now our ratchet strap that you rolled up and our block. See that? Or did you notice? You
Yeah,
want me
I saw it.
Did you get it on there?
We'll do it again.
Just a minute, I'll trip it and I'll show you. Just in case somebody wants to know. Now, you see the gap?
Yep.
Now watch.
There you go. Okay.
Now, what we do before we weld, we're going to let it go and test it and see how close. Because if it's out a little bit, then we'll weld it when it's tight.
Yeah.
But I think it came quite a bit on
It
the
did
top.
actually. I saw it.
If you do too much, then you got to cut it again. See that? We're going to pull it a wee bit more.
Yeah.
And weld it. It's very close. Great. Whoop.
So this technique, did you learn this anywhere, or did it always just make sense to you?
No, you gotta rig up as you're going. You gotta think first of all. You can't get a sledgehammer in a block, because if you put a block in here and a sledgehammer there, the top is gonna come out. You gotta pull it in. And on the side, you can see the curve in the wall.
Yeah.
Well, the door has to fit that, eh?
Yeah.
That's good enough for a test. If it's the right, welder on both sides.
Tight, tight, tight.
Yeah.